Hello everyone. I am here to speak about one of the company which has significant presence all around the world. This company is known for its diversified product line. It is one of the leading brand in hair products, appliances, furniture, security, mosquito repellent, etc. over 4 major continents, that is South America, North America, Africa and of course Asia. Right from 1985, it has major contribution in various ISRO projects. Recently, it helped in launching heaviest satellite from India, including Chandrayaan-1 in 2008, Mangalyaan in 2014 and Chandrayaan-2 in 2019. This company was part of these prestigious projects. Moreover, this was one of the brand which contributed in Swadeshi movement, the original Make in India movement during the course of freedom. The company is considered as one of the major renowned conglomerates for all the demographic segments. Around 1.1 billion people use its product on a daily basis. Now, you might be wondering about which company I am talking about. It is Godrej Group of Industries. The company was initiated 122 years back in 1897 by Ardeshir Godrej. He started his venture of producing blocks in the name of Godrej. His career graph had lot many ups and downs. That includes being an unsuccessful lawyer and shut close of his first manufacturing unit of surgical instruments. Then came a turning point in his life. With his determination and opportunistic approach, he tried his hand on making. After reading a newspaper article of increased theft and burglary cases across India, it was a huge hit. Gradually, he diversified his business into safe and later on into soaps and other consumable goods. This helped him to establish conglomerate empire of Godrej Industries. The company believes in strengthening their values of integrity, trust and respect for others. Also to help people live life better by helping them to realize their potential. The conglomerate is majorly diversified into 4 segments, that is consumer products, Godrej Industries, Godrej Agrovet and Godrej Properties. So here we are to discuss about Godrej Consumer. Godrej Consumer Product is a leader among FMCG companies with leading household and personal care products. That includes common brands like Goodnight, Synthol, Easy, hair care products, etc. Not only in India, but this company has a strong emerging presence across 60 countries under different brand names. The peer competitors of Godrej are Hindustan Unilever, ITC, P&G, L'Oreal, etc. To know more about the insights of the company, here we are with the financial analysis. As per the recent annual report, the company reported the annual sales of Rs 5,679 crore with a net profit of 1,754 crore. The market capitalization sums up to 54,340 crore, making it the 6th largest FMCG company in India. Other than these facts, I have applied some of the business forecasting tools with the help of historical share prices of the company. For this, I have considered the share price of 1st Jan 2019 to 31st December 2019. Based on the tools applied, I have come across some of the conclusions. That is, in method of least square, with the help of trend analysis, I found the forecasted value of Jan, Feb. In correlation, I have taken Godrej consumer product share prices as X and consumer discretionary goods as Y, and the value of R came out to be 0.8. That means there is a positive high correlation between both the variables. Next, in exponential smoothing, by taking alpha of company as 0.6, I have found the forecasted share value with the help of actual data. In order to find the deviations, I used MAP, MSD and MAP, both in trend analysis as well as exponential smoothing. From the results obtained, we cannot compare it with the current figures due to pandemic happening around the world. The company targeted to achieve the goal of having 10 times what it was in 2010 through product innovation, ensuring employability and greener India. It is evident that the company has grown significantly and has lot more potential. We can see that the company can achieve these goals successfully in near future. Thank you.